Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another Sanrio haul. I know I've been buying so many things lately, but there's just too many things that are released recently, so I wanted to show you guys what I recently got. So today I actually have some items, some clothing items, some things from the Sanrio shop, and some other miscellaneous things. So let's get started. So I guess we will start off with the clothing items because I only have two, and actually 2 days ago there was a new collaboration between Sanrio and a clothing store called Paseos or Pacios, and they make really cheap clothes, and they had a collab with Sanrio, which is very common. I went to the store to pick up some items, so let me show you. This is the first thing that I got, and this is a hoodie. I will show you a close-up. This is a big hoodie with milk and cinnamon roll, and it does say Shinamororu cinnamon roll in Japanese underneath, which I'm not a big fan of the writing here in katakana. I wish they didn't have that, but that's okay. The main reason why I decided to get it is because it has cinnamon and milk is really hard to find with like any merch, so I always try to get it whenever I can. And this is the only size, they only make M size, and this is huge, so this is a really big oversized hoodie. And I think I will wear this just around the house, or like if I'm going to a grocery store or something like that. And this is 1,507 yen, so $15. I feel like this is really cheap for this kind of hoodie, so I'm super excited to wear that. And another thing that I picked up, and this is the reason why I actually went to the store in the first place, is this. And as you know, I love my sweet piano, and this is the hoodie with her. So this is even bigger. It does not even fit in the picture. This is really big and really long. I feel like this would be a really good like sweater dress, a hoodie dress to wear. And funny that when I went to the store, they only had one left of these. So I know that I already said this a lot of times before, but in Japan everything gets sold out so fast, especially if it's with a rare character like this. So I'm super glad that I went to the store that day, on the day that it was released, because if I went any time later it would have been gone. So yeah, this is how it looks like, and the top part is also really cute with like little frills. And yeah, so this is also maybe going to be like my very casual clothing when I still want to look cute. So I found these socks. This is how they look like. They're just simple socks with my melody. I think this is really cute. These were only 400 yen, so $4. I feel like this is a really good deal, and I like to wear Sanrio socks as much as I can. I wear them pretty much every day, so this is super adorable. Another thing I picked up at the Pacio store is this, and this is a set of 2 towels. So there's 2 towels, and this is that it's a face towel, and this was 627 yen. So $6, and I feel like this is great, and this has My Melody, Kuromi, and Piano-chan, and I was super excited to find that. Next thing I picked up at Pacio store is this, and this is a set of zipper bags. So I like to collect zipper bags because they're always really cute, and this was 440 yen, so $4. I usually don't buy any zipper bags for more than $1 at the 100 yen shop, but this time I thought I'd get it because there's 2 different sizes, the big one and the small one, plus the small one has My Melody's brother. I don't know if you can see, this is My Melody's brother, and you barely ever see him anywhere on any kind of merch. So I thought that was cool, and that's why I decided to pick this up. So I picked up 3 masks today. Each mask was 979 yen. Actually, no, 2 of them were 979, and the other one is 891 yen. So I picked up 3 masks. The first one is with Kuromi. So I think I will just show you a close-up because they're still packaged, but the first one is with Kuromi, the second one is with My Melody, and she's wearing a little mask. This is so cute. And the other one with Cinnamon. So I already have a few different other masks from Paseos and other shops that come up with Sanrio masks because I'm a collector. I showed some in my previous hauls as well, so if you want to see that, have a look at that video too. But yeah, today I picked up these 3 from Paseos. So yeah, that's all of the things that I got from the Paseos store, and now let me show you a few other things. Since we're talking about masks, there's more that I want to show you. So there was pre-order a few months ago for this mask from the brand K Things, and they have a shop in Maru stores like Ueno and Shinjuku and somewhere else, but they also had a pre-order on Amazon, and these masks were only $5, and they came out with bazillion different types with all kinds of characters you can think of, really rare characters, and I of course had to pick a few. So the first one that I decided to get is this, and this is the one with my melody, and this one actually has, I feel like I think it has adjustable straps around the ears, so you can kind of fit it to your size. This is a really good one. I really like the design on this. Then I also picked up, of course, cinnamon roll, and this is how he looks like with the cherries. That is so cute. When I saw this was the main reason why I got it. I got two of the My Sweet Piano ones, and I've never ever seen a My Sweet Piano mask before, so I just had to get it, and this is how she looks like. She is so cute. So I picked up two just in case, and they were only $5, so that's a really good deal. I just uploaded a video of my Liz Mellow haul, and of course the day after I filmed that video, one more thing got delivered to me. What an irony, but I want to show you today anyway. I also bought this from Mercari, and this was really cheap, maybe like $4. It was a person reselling this, but this is a set of 3 notebooks with Piano-chan and my melody. So it actually comes in this case, kind of like a cardboard case where you take out the notebooks from. So this is the case, and then we have 3 different notebooks. So each notebook is so cute. Oh my god. So this is the first one, and it has my melody and piano sitting on a mushroom, and this is how they look like in the back. And the notebook itself is also super adorable. Let me show you the pages. So they're all pink with hearts, and at the bottom you also have my melody and sweet piano. Oh, this is the cutest thing ever. And here they are sitting on the swings, and that is so cute. And the back here is a little different. So here they are holding some flowers. That is just the most adorable thing. And the inside is the same like the previous notebook. And this is the third one. So here they are outside. This is so, oh my god, so adorable. And this is the back of the notebook. I think this is such a great find, and this was also released a very long time ago for the lottery of the collaboration of Lisa and my melody. One more thing that I recently bought at Mercari, which is like my go-to shopping place for anything that is related to Sanrio, is this, and oh my gosh you guys, this is a My Sweet Piano pouch, and this is so cute. Like, this is like an actual plushie, and look how big it is. Like, this is a huge pouch, and actually you can't really fit that much inside. You can fit a few things, but it's not that spacious. Most of the size is just like her face, but that is so cute. I think this would be so cute to put in the bag. I don't think it will fit in my smaller bags, but if I ever wanted to carry this, I definitely would. And I feel like putting like some candy in here. It's very common in Japan to just carry like a candy pouch with you where you put all different sorts of sweets. So I might do that, but for now this is just going to sit on my table. Now let me show you some items that I got at the Sanrio shop. There's really not that much, but I want to show you anyway. So first thing is this. This is from their new winter collection, and this is this little box that has candy inside. This is how it looks like in the bag, and it has my melody and her brother and Piano-chan, and this is so cute. So this is the little jar, the little box, and inside you get some chocolate. How cute is that? Obviously, once you eat the chocolate, you can put some random things in here. Another winter kind of theme recently released items is this. And this is kind of hard to see, but this is a little shot glass. I don't know if that's actually a shot glass, but it looks like one. And the print has my melody and my sweet piano on it. And inside you get 3 little pink candies. So also this I want to show you guys. This is actually in the Sanrio shop. They have a point system. So if you use an app, and every time you buy something you get points, and then you can exchange those points for some items. So I exchanged 2,000 points for this, and this is, as you may hear, is a coin bank. What is it called? A coin bank? I will call that. I don't know what is the real name, but I decided to put 500 yen coins. Every time I get a 500 yen coin, I will put it in here. And right now I don't have that many, so I'm still working on it. But my plan is to fill this up with 500 yen coins. And yeah, this is so cute. It's a little My Melody holding a strawberry, and they had different ones. I think they also had a cinnamon one and something else, but I decided to go with My Melody, of course. Last but not least is this, and this is from the little gacha where you don't know what you're gonna get. This is a little tuxedo figure that you can put on the cords. I also had a few of these before with different other characters, but this time we did it once with my fiance and we got tuxedo, and he's super cute. He has like a little angel wings in the back. This is just so cute. But yeah, that's pretty much all for this haul. There's going to be another one very soon, so please keep an eye on that and don't forget to subscribe to see that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what is your favorite item from this haul in the comment section down below. And if you want to get some of the things with your favorite Sanrio character, don't forget to check out my online shop, momomailshop.com. The link will be in the description bar below. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!